Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread using an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients. 3 ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mash the bananas well, then preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent cooking temperature from the start. Now let's get mixing. In a separate bowl, combine your mashed bananas, the egg, and the melted butter. Give it a good whisk until everything is well incorporated. Then, in another bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Finally, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for delicious banana bread. It's time to bake. Lightly grease a small, air fryer-safe loaf pan or a few ramekins. Pour your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, filling it about 2/3 full to allow for rising. Place the pan carefully into your preheated air fryer. Cook at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick. It should come out clean. Once baked, carefully remove your golden brown banana bread from the air fryer. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. This helps prevent it from sticking and allows it to set properly. Once completely cooled, slice and enjoy your homemade air fryer banana bread. It's perfect with a cup of coffee or as a sweet treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.